Tera, your AI study partner. Learning is hard, but it doesn't have to be. Meet Tera, your free AI tutor, built to help you actually understand what you're studying, topic, and it breaks it down into plain language. Want to go deeper? Tera adapts to your level, whether you're a beginner or an advanced student. Testing yourself is the single most effective study technique. Tera knows this. It quizzes you, tracks what you got wrong, and helps you fix the gaps. No more wasting time rereading notes that never stick. Tera builds you a personalized study plan. 1 hour a day. 7 days. It's built for students, teachers, and developers who want to learn faster. Here's the honest truth. AI doesn't replace studying, it makes studying smarter. Try it free at TeraAI.chat.